CO2 Welding Robot. CO2 Welding Robot is mainly consisted of 6-axis robot. CO2 welding machine, jig sets, and controlling system. This equipment is specially designed for programming reinforced welding to bracket of shock absorber. Lay workpiece shock absorber into the mold fixtures and let clamping pneumatic cylinder fix the workpiece. Welding is performed by CO2 Welding Robot. Adoption of high-speed and high-rigidity 6-axis robot working with CO2 welding machine to give high accurate welding angle and reduce welding wear-out, giving 0 defective finished products and higher product pass rate. Designed left and right 2 sets of fixture molds working with programmable welding robot. Another set for mold changing will reduce idle time to infinity. Mold change adopts easy, lightweight, and quickly mold changing design. Standard mold change working with preset perimeters in NC controller. Housing has nearly 30 years experience of full automatic and semi-automatic special purpose equipment making.